guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Crop parents. Guys, can you hear me? Please share this video. Help me to thumbs up. Give me comments. Let me know you are hearing me. Okay, let me as well share. Let me share so that I can play what I want to play to you guys. Let me be checking my time. 1 hour I'm out. 1 hour I am out of here. I'm going to be checking my time. I need to come back. 100,000 naira gives is 60 euro. It's even more than 100,000. Rita, they form fake life for social media. The father was bailed. The mother was bailed on credit. And she has not paid the police people. And they said they want to go to their house and get them arrested. You will hear it now. They just called me. They just signaled me. That's why I'm doing this video. They signaled me this morning. Okay? So that if you see some on social media, and I know say Mummylove doesn't talk about them. Okay? Mummylove, yeah, and she can't talk her. Beautiful mommy with the ear. Oh, thank you so much, Irene. Moses, you are welcome. Please, guys, let me to thumbs up. Let me share so that we can start. Let me to thumbs up and share, guys. Okay? So we can save time. 1 hour, I should be done with this video. If everyone can hear me, let me see your comments. Comment. Okay? They just called me. They called me this morning. 100,000 naira. So, Rita, you are still holding these people this morning. And the worst part of it, she lied on social media that she gave them money to drink. Whereas her parents was bailed on credit. And as we speak now, they are arranging on how to go and arrest Crocro parents for the debts she refuses to pay. She refuses to pay. They called me. The debt she hold, she refuses to pay. I just checked the exchange rate. 60 euro is above 100,000 naira. This is the person that is doing fake life. I want to be. I want to belong. I want to be. I want to be. You are sewing agbada for Kokobiri, but you cannot pay your mother's and father's debts. One and listen. Please, guys, help me to share. Help me to share. Help me to share. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let me share so we can start. As I want to share, guys, help me to share this video. Thumbs up. Comment or comment. Don't let me waste time on this, please. Help me to comment and share. So we can just do it very quickly. If I can round up in 40 minutes, it's even better. But it shouldn't exceed 1 hour. No. It shouldn't exceed 1 hour. 40 minutes. Let me even see if I can do 40 minutes. 1 hour is even like too much for me because I have other things to do. I have other things to do. Guys, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Where are you watching from? Thumbs up, please. For those that don't know the story, let me quick give you a brief summary. Rita Crocro parents were arrested. Remember when she arrested from Victor's family, she asked for the refund of the expenses she spent, which was 200,000 naira. From Victor pay her back. When it gets to her turn, she could not even see bail, money to bail her parents. What then now happened? She could not even bail them. You will hear it now. Krokro parents were begging to be bailed on credits. The father showed his account. It was 0 naira. There was no money in the account. He showed it to the police people that they don't have money. So after much beg and beg and beg, they now decide to bail them on credit. Over 2 years plus. Ever since, I was shocked when the DPO called and said, do you know that these people has not paid that money? They have given them a long time. They have not paid. I was like, it's a lie. So I went, I said, no. I said, but that time she lied now that she has paid, that she even give you guys money. She shouted and said, what? So I said, okay, she hold on. And I go to look for the video. And I cut the video. And I send it to the police people to say, look at it now. She said she has paid. The woman said, when? How? Which time? The woman was shouting, say, she has not paid though. Ever since. I said, really? Ever since? Good evening, Judy Tom. Ever since? He said, yes. What the words of her mouth is what even provoked the woman. She lied. Because I have to cut the video, because I don't want to use my mouth to say it. I have to cut the video and I send it to them. I said, long now, that time, she said she has paid you guys. I was aware that they were paying on credit. But she said she has paid. I thought maybe she bragging that she has paid. All this year, she must have paid you guys. They said, no, nothing like that. Please, guys, thumbs up this video. They said, no, nothing like that. She has not. I was like, Jesus, ever since. And this guy is doing big, forming big girl that she's not. Which all of us know that there's no big girl in her. I was surprised. The woman had told me and the DPO that they are making arrangements to revisit them as soon as possible to get them arrested. The Nigeria police does not allow. It's because of their aging parents. They are old, and the father of Krokro showed his account. There was no dime in that account. That is why they had pity, because they stayed their money till night. That's why they had pity to pay them on credit. No, say Nigeria police. They are you must pay them. No, they're not gonna let go like that. So as it is now, that they make plan on how to go arrest Krokro parents as we speak now. I don't know what must have happened, because this morning we spoke. I don't know. But they told me that as soon as possible, they are going to get them arrested. That this girl, when they saw the video, I called to them. And before I even called that video, they are the one that contacted me to say, this girl has not still paid them their money. I said, I thought she has paid now. I know she bragged about it, that she gave you guys money when she did not even give you guys money. But I thought she must have paid all this. Why? They said no. And that's okay. They should hold on. Let me cut a video that she used to say it. So I now cut the video and I screen record it and I send that particular part which she mentioned that she has paid. And I send it to them. Then I said, okay, no problem that. She lied on them. She's a liar. That they are going to mobilize and go to their house to get them arrested. Me, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to advocate for the police people, because Rita is owing them money. She needs to go pay, because this is a shame and disgrace. This is somebody that arrested from Vito family, father, brothers and sisters, all to the son, the little boy, the son of Fravito. Fravito never paid his family on credit. Fravito even go as far as giving her all the money she spent in arresting his family. All the money Krokro spent in arresting Fravito's family. Fravito paid everything back to her. But when it comes to her now, she cannot even pay bail money of her parents. She cannot even clear her debts over 2 years plus. And I think it's wise of me, since they contacted me this morning, to come and talk about it. So she will run and go and pay so that they will not arrest those parents over credit. You know how police, Nigeria police is now. So that is why I am bringing the awareness. Ever since Ritero Krokro has not been able to clear the debt, the credit on her parents' neck, the credits they use in paying them on credit, she has not been able to pay till this time. That is so, it's so a shame. It's so shameful. Ritero Krokro, why have you not paid? They have contacted me because I have all of their contacts. Yes. They have contacted me. That's why I'm bringing this on board. Okay? Lovely, amazing people, please thumbs up and share this video. Let me play this thing to you so you can hear it. Please, if I get to 40 minutes on this video, please, somebody should let me know. I don't want to exceed 1 hour. If I get to 40 minutes, just let me know. Please, who can do that for me here? Although, I might also as well check it on my other phone. Please, somebody alert me when I get to 40 minutes. Breaking news, so make una come here, make una come here, make una come here, make una come here. How this guy go dey form Adaze? Not be 100,000. She say she go give that guy with the deport from Germany with his family that day. How come you not fit clear your papa debt? You want 4 big girl for social media, but the big girl not there your body at all. He not there for your body. I bet make una tag bloggers so. Be Paris, oh yeah, oh come oh. More tag bloggers so na know, make they come cut this part one one place so. Krokro no fit pay her parents debt when they say beg them credit. Police they don't dey vex. Nigeria police don't dey vex so. They don't dey vex, and they are going to mobilize to arrest them for their money. Okay, now see me I can't use that way. Okay, let's go. Let me play the. Please, guys, thumbs up. I'm not seeing you guys' comments. Thumbs up the video. Let me on my speaker so that I go hear. So that I go hear, my lovely, amazing people. Okay. If you are ready, just say yes on the comment section. Let me start playing it. All right, quick, guys. Help me save time. Okay. If you are ready.
I've heard what she said.
Are you ready? If you are ready, say yes on the comment section. Let's play it. Oh yeah. Okay, this is it.
I've seen it too.
If you are ready.
I've heard what she said.
If you are ready, this is our police voice. Oh yeah, if you are ready, say yes. Thumbs up the video. I'm not getting you guys response. Is it that my network is not good, or you guys choose not to be responding to me, or what? You guys choose not to be responding, or what? Please, if you are ready, just say yes on the comment section. So let me go ahead. I don't want to exceed 1 hour. I'm going to keep to my words, right? Today. No. I have to come back. If you are ready, thumbs up this video and say yes. Oh yeah, okay, oh. Bloggers. Brother, now they call me. Mona say yes, Mona tag AB Paris. Mona tag blogger, or better come cut this pass. Hey, God have mercy. Deto, you the old police, Nigeria police money for more than many. How long that is not there? I think it's up to more than 2 years now. You don't agree pay money. Yay, you say they go forget. They not forget oh. They not forget oh. They not forget at all. They say they must collect their money. Okay, 2 people say yes. What about the rest people? Say yes, let's play it. Mona can't listen. Make blogger carry on my back. So that we go avoid the story that touches the heart. Make she go pay. Make they not go pick them. And Nigeria police, they are not smiling with anybody. A deal is a deal. Now see, and yeah, just now the parents they beg when they release them on credit. Person wey dey abroad, you no see 100,000 naira take bail im parents. And she sabi say her parents go arrest people family, but when it come to her, she no see money. She dey live fake life for social media. I want to belong. Locality where one belong by all means. Are we ready, my people? Let's go. Let's go. Let me play it. Please thumbs up and share this video. I want to see thumbs up. Okay? Okay? More than list, yo. More than listing. More than listing. Thumbs up this video, lovely people. Thumbs up the video. Let's go. Akaosa for police, Nigeria police again. If they say they forget, they don't forget. So the DPO, I bet they call the IPO. I don't know. He called me this morning. He said, I was shocked. Said, Rita never still paid the money till now. Now I say, but she said she has paid. He said, no, now go cut the video. Now go look for the video where she take talk and now cut her. Screen record that, go send, go give them. The thing provoked them. They say, he never paid them. They need their money. They want mobilize, go arrest the parents. They go their house. Let's listen to it.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This one, she's a liar. No, Wahala, I've seen it.
Please, guys, thumbs up this video. I don't know what make I play. Now this one, I know. See, even though not just waste time, when I know one share this video, now no one thumbs up. For 40 minutes, let me be checking my time. I'm checking it over here. Once it reach, I don't go with that. Let me say, no one here. I will play next time. Cause I get another show I want to. I get another show. Make I check. 21 minutes. Then we don't day. 1 hour now I get for this video. Are we ready? Share, thumbs up. That's all I ask. Thumbs up this video. Tag. What did they call them? Blogger. May they come see here. May they come cut this my video. May they help me beg. May they help the police people beg retailer may go pay their money. Now their money they want. They say if you not pay them, they go arrest. They'll go if Papa has go arrest them. They'll go arrest them. Okay? If you owe debt, you have to pay your debt. How much be 100,000? It's not even up to, let's say 60 euro. It's a little change. Yeah. 60 euro no go reach you take go supermarket make rubber bag full. Rubber bag no go full for 60 euro. It's a chicken change. Make Krokro go pay money. People when they abuse, fight up and down, they better pass on 1 billion time. They not be a mates. Make you go pay debts with their neck. As the police people called me this morning, said this girl never see pay their money. I was shocked. See all this why? Over 2 years now. I was shocked, my lovely, amazing people. So now see make I can't use them. May I can create awareness. Say, see what they happen, oh. They are making plan to go to their house to go and arrest them, oh. So if she know what is good for her, let her go and pay. Nigeria police, you can't hold them and you go scot-free. No. No. So let's go.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This one, she's a liar. No, Wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not come, the police have known the house of her parents. We are going there personally with this video to go and show the parents who did she give that 100,000 to. Yesterday, I even left them in the office because they were begging. They don't have anything. They are fools. No problem now.
Unayara, why they beg them on credit, they were begging. I say, Rita Papa show your account details. And your account balance, I mean to say. 0 naira. There was no money. The man was not having 1 naira in his account. You the era, 1 naira he not gets. Parents will get picking for abroad. Their accounts, the Papa account was running 0. No 1 naira in their accounts. Nigeria police normally don't bail on credit, but they have to because there was no kobo. Kobo no gum then. I don't know why this girl abandoned her parents to wallow in poverty like this. I don't know why she even the police, even when I called the video go give them this morning, the woman holla. He said, Jesus, what a liar. Even police don't even know say she be liar. Una the era, They don't even know say she be liar. Go play off, finish more and wait. Police even know say she be chronic liar. She just forming I want to be, whereas she's a nobody. Best way go if she carry her, send her own parents, may go arrest another presenter family. That will not bear people for credit, oh. But it reached her turn now, they have to bail her parents on credit. She was not able to afford bail money, and they now bail them on credit. All this while, she even lied. She even bragged on social media, lied to people on social media that she even gave police money, whereas it was a lie. That is the video I went to look for this morning. I caught it and I sent it to the woman because they are the one that contacted me. Now this guy has not paid the person they arrest did not pay their money. I said, but she said it live on the social media that she has paid. She gave you guys money, which I know that is a lie. So I have to clarify. I have to go and cut the video and now screen record it and send it to them. That is what they now listen to. They say, this guy that the father was begging, the parents were begging, no money, no kobo, no 1 naira gone there. Crow parents are living in abject poverty. They are, just imagine, okay, these are parents that people donated money for. Rita, people donated money for her to go and buy wrapper because the mother don't have wrapper. To go and buy wrapper, clean her parents up. At least she should have taken out of that money. She didn't clean them up till now. She's supposed to have taken from that money and give to pay the debt of the police. She refuses to pay. No wonder she was begging for money this morning. She was begging for money this morning. Really? Hey. I bet the police, they don't go already. And she said no. She's begging for money this morning. Hey. So lovely, amazing people. Now I can't cut that video. I can't go say and go give them. Then the police say, what? People that were begging that day that they will come and pay. They were not having no money. The parents were begging. How come she not lie on them that she gave them money before they paid them, whereas they paid them on credit, which she till now, over 2 years, she refuses to pay them. So that is what happened. Okay? Lovely people, please thumbs up this video. Thumbs up the video. Let's listen attentively, lovely people. Thumbs up, my lovely people. Help me to share. Listen again, oh. I never play and finish. Okay?
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This woman, she's a liar. No wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not.
They said tomorrow, and it is this morning they contacted me. When I record the video to go and give to them, she said she has paid you people. They say, she lie on them. They say they are mobilizing to go and arrest those wretched parents of hers that she refuses to take care of. When they donate money, give Krokro, she carried the money to go marry Kokobiri. What a selfish, self-centered girl. Money that was donated for her parents to clean up because they were looking like shit. She used it to go and do her own marriage without egbe, marriage without cow, without musician, without nothing. She used it to go and satisfy her own whatever, to go and marry Kokobiri. But her parents still remain wretched till tomorrow. Is this not a big shame? Is that not a big shame, lovely, amazing people? Yes, so she used 1 hour beg for money. Hey! God, though. Wait, why? I don't understand. Why is she trying to do what I wanna be? I wanna be. Wretched girl. Where the fee say she better pass people where she come meet. Where be say she not even reach an inch of the level of the people where she dey fight up and down. So she's begging. I can't. In fact, I have to go and see for myself. I believe you, my darling lady, but I have to go and I have to go and search, look at for myself. More than listening, no. Please thumbs up and share this video. Thumbs up and share, lovely people. Thumbs up and share. Help me to 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 share this video. Thumbs up and share, guys. Let's play it because I have a few minutes left. I have a few minutes left. Hey! What a shame and disgrace. Everything about this girl is kaput. Shame and disgrace upon her. Everything. If I play it now, I will not stop until I finish playing it, guys. I will not stop. Prettily, I greet you. Good evening, my beautiful lady. I greet you now, my wonderful people. I'm not seeing you guys' comments. And this is really is a turn off for me. I'm talking to people now. I should get response. Wanna comment now? Let's go. Let's play it.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This one, she's a liar. No Wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not come, the police have known the house of her parents. We are going there personally with this video to go and show the...
That's the video I sent to them this morning. Don't forget. Listen.
Who did she give that 100,000 to? Yesterday, I even left them in the office because they were begging. They don't have anything. They are fools. No problem now. Me, don't worry. Thank you very much for this video. I am going there. If they didn't even come tomorrow, I am going to the house by myself. No.
Una de ye? Ritero, go and pay your debts. From Victor family where you arrest. They're not, the police not pay them or credits. From Victor send money, go pay our people where you arrest. Why you reach your turn, you not see money to pay your parents. They can't need to pay them on credits. Why? Why? This is a shame now. I greet you too, my lady. This is a big shame. More than listen. How Ritero papa te beg, the mama and the papa te beg. How Ritero, when police go arrest them, una see and say na dirty towel mama tie because you not get anything better. Police tell her say, madam, dress. Ritero mama no bath. And I afternoon, he no bath. He was smelling. She was wozing. When I say person smell. With her beauty, if you see the way she look, now not say the woman not the and the dirty type, you understand? Reasonable mother, way really clean. If they break, what see mothers they feel they do that time. Even till tomorrow. They go enter shower. They go bath. Now first thing, as early as 5, some 6 a.m. Those will not they maybe they not get where they go like retailer mama will not get trade, not they do anything now just to stay house. They look for calabar with one foka. Mother will really get what they do as early as 4 a.m., 5 a.m. They don't bath, go market, go sell, go do their business. Or the one where they go work, they don't bath 6 a.m. They don't bath. The one where not see they get where they go, or bear way like Dorekia. If they break, yes, 8 o'clock, they don't take their shower. If they wake up, 8, 9 at most, they don't bath. But Dorekia will not be like that. A whole day, Dorekia, Krokro mama no go bath. She was smelling. I said when they went to, I said she was smelling. When I see the way they say the dirty towel where they are body now. Who clean and who bath, not feel with that kind of dirty towel. No, now. No. Who needs not they have to know. Who dirty not also they have to know. Who you're dirty naturally, they know. Who needs not feel tie that kind of dirty towel. Not feel look, his skin not feel dirty like that. You not feel look wretched like that. That already speak volume. Say na dirty person I Dorekia be. I am you that mama. Na dirty person I be. Re be near the woman. Not fit tie that kind of dirty towel. No matter say na they come poverty pass. Even women will not get mothers will not get children for abroad cannot tie that kind of dirty towel. And this was the reason, the condition that people saw with them, that is with these parents of Krokro. That is why people donated their hard-earned money. What did Krokro did? What did she do? She carried the money. She went to go and enrich herself by doing marriage without no family member. Without no family member. Self-centered human being. But she not feel use the money for the purpose, reason why people donated that money. And all the people who donate that money for her today, she beat all of the people for their good. Now good for the sha. Me, I love her and say it beat them put. Because they know say this girl, Krokron, evil. And they know say she does so evil seed. But they were doing eye service by donating money to her to give to her mother to go and buy rapper. But at the end of the day, all of them, he beat them for their good. Artist saying donate 50 euro. Lolo saying they donate. Organic, whatever, they donate. He beat all of them for their good. For me, it's good for them. I not pity for them. Me, I will always say the way it is, not good for them. Because they were hypocrites. Hypocrisy, and I worried that way make them donate such money. Because when this same person go arrest Franvito family, Franvito not ask for donation. Franvito no come and look for sympathy. Franvito carry a cross. He even pay all the money where Rita arrest the family, pay her back. Rita even use the record where he record Franvito family. He use them to ask for money. They sell the audio out. They play and make they carry account come out. So now remember now, carry a Nigeria account come and make people they put alert. Make people they debit them. Make she play things where she record about Franvito family, where she want to shame them, bully them. She make a lot of money out of it. On top of that, the expenses she made which she used in arresting Franvito family, she asked for it back and they pay her back. To tell you how evil she is, how greedy she is. But when her own happened, which it was karma that happened to her, because what goes around comes around. When her own happened, people were then doing hypocrisy. Oh, move the net for her. But so they won't call. It beat all of them. It beat them for their good. It not saga lolo. It not saga atiti. It not call their name. All of them. It not beat them for their good. It did. So for that one, I good for them for that one. Because I don't like eye service hypocrisy. Hypocrite. People they do hypocrisy. I know they like that hypocrisy way they do. So this one now, return nothing, at least take part of that donation money. Oh, good afternoon, Moses. I greet you. I'm on there. I'm on there. You know, if you take part of the money, make she take sort the debt of the police come off her neck. She refuses to do that. And now they are now asking for their money. They are now asking for their money. The senior woman for police contacted me this morning. And the other one, the DPO also contacted me this morning. Say this girl never still paid them their money. And they are going to mobilize to get them arrested. They already know their house. Because they were bail on credit. They're supposed to be paid their money. Reteron refused. But Reteron, they do I wanna be for social media. Okay. What here they talk, they call us now how Reteron, that one for the money on another year. They alert me this morning. I don't already explained that one. And secondly, how when they go arrest Reteron mama, she was looking so she not bath. Now year for the office mat now. She not bath. She was smelling. To the extent police people have to roll down their glass of their motor because they could not breathe. With the bad odor that was coming out from Dora body, they could not breathe. Who see Reteron will know that she's from a dirty family. If you see her mother look, her father look, they will know say nice shit, all those ones they swim, all those ones they rub themselves. But this one person will be say they curse people parents, they rubbish people parents, they bully people parents up and down. They fight both the dead and the living. But our own, wait, they are alive. Who even don't buy, don't even better pass them. Okay? So let's listen.
My sister, I say even that yesterday, my policemen went there. They met the mother, did not even took.
Okay. Why stop now? Please, guys, thumbs up this video. If you are not thumbs up, may I check my time, sir. If you are not thumbs up, may I they go. 30 minutes. I have 10 minutes left. I know why I sit 1 hour for this video. More than thumbs up, more than thumbs up, more than thumbs up, more plan. We got a few minutes left. Okay, guys. Thumbs up this video. We are not even they comment. Funny enough. Funny enough. More than thumbs up, lovely, amazing people. Thumbs up and help me to share. Okay, or I should stop here. If I make I stop here, say yes. If you know I make I stop here, say no. May I continue. If you want to make I stop, oh yeah, I say you bye-bye. At least that one where I play, don't do. If you don't want to hear all that parts, you now say yes. If you don't want to hear, say no. Make I stop, say yes. If you don't want to say no, and if you say no, you go share this video, you go thumbs up. Share and thumbs up. Share, see my beautiful lady. Favor, he said continue. My lady said I can continue. Oh yeah, what about the rest people? Should we continue? Should we continue? I'm not going to sit 1 hour for this video. I don't talk. Should we continue? Now I hear. Those who just they join, let's take the first one again. Retero, the all police people, go and pay their money. I'm an advocate. Go and pay their money and stop fooling around. Cro. At least police people nice, base somebody on credit. And all this why this guy refuses to pay. Now, wow. And now they're not asking for their money, oh. Not be say go shock you now, they'll go back there, want any money, they'll go arrest them. Now you know, go and pay them now for your good. Is it a medical doctor? Hey, oh, my lady. Fake life medical doctor. I pray, oh. I shall we don't pay to madam. How can she be asking donation for another person when her own parents are poverty stinking? God go bless you. I dey feel it me on my phone. I'm coming, guys. I dey feel it. God go bless you. Another one we be need a call Adazoe near Adazowa. Another one we need a call Adazoe. Person wey good for our side. When they claim to good for our side, we not good for us. Adazoe near Adazowa. Now I believe they call such people. Our parents need help. Money where they donate for retail. I'm gonna ask what you use and do because me get people where see they wait they down car. That say so when I Dora see they tie they sit down for our side. I wish na person where be say it really gets value for our parents. She go okay. The other day she they ask Classic Gloria say, I been a Monica she they ask say, me Monica go there, me go there Oja of Classic Gloria mama. She will make a mama the rob the mama receive shame and disgrace. How many Oja you wash your mama? Even social media donated. She bend her mama and her papa hand back, collect the money to do her own. As a bad child that she is. How many Oja? She will not see herself as so return or come back Olandis and read her for grand video run. Go give him mama. May mama receive her. Say, oh, me know where say oh, say that 10 Olandis be this, or even 5 Olandis. We not see her. We not see her. Say na party she can't do for her parents. Take celebrate them for the shame and disgrace she bring upon them. She not do one. Common food of mouth. Food of mouth. Say may she just say okay because of the shame and disgrace when she put for her mama and her papa body. May she they give them money to feed well. In not day. But she was asking Monica, Gloria Ja. Where my guy? With that dirtiness, your mama take come out on social media. May you try clean them up. Buy or land this. Do one thing or two things, or carry your papa. That your papa will benny so. We don't look healthy. Carry her go intensive care. Check up. May they look after her. Whether he can turn to human being again. Because it's transforming into an animal. No. If na another person get that kind of papa and mama, hey, yes or not your word. Those where you're the joy. Let's take this one again. I bet when retailer make she go pay police because they say she never paid them. May go pay them their money. is less than 60 euro. Make she go pay. I'm advocating for them. Make she go pay their money. Now wow, you can sew agbada for kokobiri, but you cannot clean your mother and your father's shame. Eh? Why you hate them? Why you know they care for your parents? Common food of mouth. If people see pass that their street, they no fence their house. There's not the same dirty towel that woman see they tie. Two things then she get to change. Either she tie that towel or she go tie one Nigeria was wrapper. Where don't whine out, you don't fafa. Go tie and sit down for us, I open leg for ground. They fire Calabama where go pass me. Hello? Eh? Because woman not get wetin they do. When woman when woman they hungry, or woman not get wetin they do, especially adulterous one. They go use what they have to take survive. Rita, I beg this video for your own good. The police people will pay your papa and your mama on credit. They say they need their money. May they not go pick them up, May they not go pick them up. May they not go arrest them. If they arrest them again, it go be double wahala. Double wahala for dead body. Oh. Are you hearing me? Hello?
Hello, Mummylove.
Eh?
Happy Sunday. Good evening.
Happy Sunday, my sister, my lady. God bless you.
It's my first contribution. So, Rita, you never mother when they say arrest her last time. You will call Judge Vera.
Okay.
You dey call Judge Vera. Say
Vera. They say I just surprised when they call me this morning. Yeah.
And you go dey live video, they judge people up and down, they talk like say you get money full body, Rita. Especially the most thing when Mummylove they talk and just now say police woman say you never pay money. The thing is shock me.
He never me when they call me, I was shocked. He never paid. See now.
I be the feel say na saga you come play the voice record.
No now.
So you never pay the money. Now you dey judge Vera and now you dey insult people say you be alpha and omega. Rita, wetin you dey do not good
Okay.
Just stop all these things. See this thing where this live video presenters they beat Monica put say Monica too dey show to know Monica too dey do this. Now you go worse past Monica.
Now she worst.
Now try they talk. Now Rita come worse past Monica. Since when Rita enter this live video presenter something, you can't be like saying now you pass Monica for all this troublesome.
You are right. Not be like you talk.
Video when person go drop, when Rita no go carry and analyze and insult that person.
Okay.
Now Rita
she say they find trouble up and down now. Troublemaker.
Rita is 42 years old. If you look Rita, he old past years.
Where now? Where now?
You know what to make her old passing years because of all this trouble, all this I won't do one. Make they say that me do one pass.
An evil mind. She get evil mind.
So you never fix pay your debt of your the money when they arrest your mother 100,000. What it be 100,000? Then you dey judge Vera. Say Vera not fit take care of the children, and you did not take care of your mother's bill
at all. Money when they donate for her parents that time, what did she use and do? She go use and marry Kokobiri. Without
I beg they need to re-block this video. Be like say Rita not know say he never pay. Be like say he forget. No,
he not forget.
You know say if Rita don't pay the thing finish, she will come they come out, come they emphasize on the matter. You go come they emphasize.
Okay.
So as when they talk now, you go quickly go pay. Anytime you see say go pay, you go come emphasize.
Okay.
On the matter.
I hope she go pay because I hope she go pay my lady because they say they want arrest. They want go pick them up, No joke.
If my Mummylove, if you even go pay safe, people go see laugh Rita since last year, not the last year, the last 2 years.
So over 2 years now.
Mama,
over 2 years now. Now 2022. Now 2022 January now.
Mummylove, if he be say, you see let the police know, say, if he be say Rita don't go pay, make it sit up so they don't pay the money, make it send the dates and the everything, make them know, because Rita go still lie.
Okay.
They're free man. Truth as proof, because this one when you they talk, so if Rita still go pay, he go come they make my saying he don't pay. And if you not bring proof, he go be like say don't pay, the police
No, I
just
never
lie.
pay. Now they contact me.
Now one for Rita, see and I don't they judge Kate because say Kate don't they insult Monica now. He don't they go analyze video where Kate just drop.
No, man, they find our friendship. I they come. I want quick do this one. Now Kate friendship because they find.
I dey shame because Kate that they insult Monica now. You go carry Kate video, they analyze her. Go and pay your mother's debt when they hold.
I beg because men we advocate for the police people because they say they need their money. Oh, no joke. They say they need their money.
Now, once we be bloggers and live video presenter, more do the advocates well because Rita own he not there, but the most important thing I know say what Vera do not good do. As we say then Euro, he's supposed to take care of his children. But the way Rita they emphasize the matter like saying they take care of his parents.
And how fool about you? See our parents they be like shit. See our papa from human being looking at papa don't they look like a chimpanzee the cheetah. How fool about you?
You know, say now you they bring all this truth from Rita. This one when you don't bring today now. Facebook go scatter for today to tomorrow.
Okay.
Scatter because now you first make everybody know say Rita father say how they suffer. Now you make them know. Now you don't see me they know say 100,000 they never still pay.
He never still pay till now.
They go combine and join. They'll combine the thing. Join Rita, things where they do. Mummylove, if I drop this call, you know you go to make blogger for free cut not talk, make the video just play finish.
Okay.
Make the for free cut because if you talk put, they're not free cut
Okay.
Make for the if they don't cut finish, they'll come they add all those old one joiner for Rita. That's what you just do. Thank you. Rita, same for you.
Thank you. Mona help me terror crocro may go pay debts. 100,000 naira wey no reach 60 euro. She dey do adaze the celebrative deportee wey they deport her that day. He say he send according to that we not see evidence. He say 100,000 go give them. How come you send 100,000 go give who they deport, but you don't feel clear your mama and your papa be 100,000 from police hand. Now police you go owe money, you go feel say they go let go. They not go let go. Okay, may we listen to them again. Now I off my phone so that the audio go loud. Where? Mona listen, Mona share this video. Mona help me thumbs up. Mona share, make it go viral. Ritero, I wanna be. No, fit never pay since 2 years. Never pay the bill where there mama and papa neck. When she arrest Franvito family, Franvito not bail her people credits, but he reach at all. Ritero crocro, mama and papa was bailed on credits. Is that not a shame? Since January 2022, 100,000 naira, Ritero no fit pay. Come out bill for your mama and papa neck. As it is now, police people don't say they don't wait reach. Say they need their money. Say they want mobilize, go arrest. Crocro, mama and papa again. Oh, Mona help me wear up. So that if he sets, una know say Mummylove don't fair give una the news before. Okay? So make I play in case blogger want cut this pass. Let me play it again. Before I play the other one, we never played the audio finish. I still get more.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This woman, she's a liar. No wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not come, the police have known the house of her parents. We are going there personally with this video to go and show the parents who did she give that 100,000 to. Yesterday, I even left them in the office because they were begging, they don't have anything. They are fools, no problem now. Me, don't worry. Thank you very much for this video. I am going there. If they didn't even come tomorrow, I am going to the house by myself. No problem. Thank you.
Okay. Una don hear am. Ritero, they owe police people since 2 years, 100,000 naira, she no fit pay. And they call me this morning, they said, oh, go arrest them. Because they don't wait patiently enough. Ritero Krokro no gree pay debts. Where he hold police people. Where they take bail appearance on credits. Una hear when the woman talk and say, the parents they beg, say nothing there with them, and this are say nothing there their hand, and now so it happen. Now make they beg them on credits. Ritero Krokro, Papa, show his accounts for inside police station. They beg for inside cell. Say 1 naira they not get. The pikin when they get for abroad, not they take care of them, but they bring trouble for them. They send a message. When they go, they arrest other people's family. But when their own happen, when they arrest them, they don't see money to pay themselves. Okay? So, now make them. The moment Ritero Papa show you accounts, police say 1 naira not there inside. It was 0 naira balance. Now make them come pity. Beg them on credit. But ever since they beg them on credit, Ritero no pay police people their money. Okay? Now Vera matter she carry. She still carry so. Whereas I own for her body. Ritero Krokro no pay till now. What is 100,000 naira? I just check exchange rate just now. It's not. It's 60 euro. It's even more than 100,000 naira by today exchange rate. So this girl no fit clear her papa mama shame. She no fit give them food. She no fit clean them up. Then what is she not doing? To package Kokobiri to impress on social media. The parents that give birth to her, when I see how they look, they be like shit. Who is she improving? Na but also Agbada give Kokobiri. But when Kokobiri go behave this Agbada, na one certain no say this one. Na common flag he wear. Say this one a real Kokobiri bushman. So una don't hear her. More than listening. Those of una way say, una see and say when they bring Ritero Papa and Mama out. The woman was tying dirty towel. That was her best. Police gave her opportunity to dress, but she don't have nothing to put on. She don't have nothing reasonable to put on. That is why she tied that towel to the station. Police gave her the option to say, Madam, go dress. She not bath. She was smelling. Dorekia was smelling. Rita Mama was smelling. Police gave her the opportunity to go and dress up. But she don't have nothing. She had to tie that dirty towel to the station. And she was smelling. She not bath. Mona Yera from the horse's mouth. From the police people mouth. Mona Yera. Please, lovely people, thumbs up this video. Was so close. Let me just give you guys this one. More audios day. I'll come play and give una. Not be today, it go be another day. But me, I just give una this one.
Bye. My sister, I say even that yesterday, my policemen went there. They met the mother, did not even took her bite. They said she should wear clothes. That is how they brought that woman. That woman couldn't even eat when she came.
Unayera, she did not bath. She did not wear clothes. They gave her opportunity to wear clothes. That was, the dirty toy was her best to put on. Nasia, it's not like they take her on her way. More than list again. Me too, I want list again.
My sister, I say even that yesterday, my policemen went there. They met the mother, did not even took her bite.
They met her, she didn't even take her bath. Unayera. The police people went there, meet her that she did not even bath. A dirty person is a dirty person. Someone that is not dirty, when they break, what do? You take your shower. You clean up, you freshen up. She did not even bath. She did not even bath. Now, Please, lovely people, thumbs up. I want to see in a comment. I want go. Which kind of wahala be this one, safe? Now let my lady the comments. The rest people are just there. Anyways, let's take it again. Soap is costly. Okay, soap costs. Soap is costly. That's why she did not bath. Okay, oh my lady. I hear. I don't hear. Now what for wire road? Yeah. Yeah. She did not wet in bath. And it was in the afternoon. Afternoon. Who done dirty, done dirty? Who dirty? He done dirty. That's just the truth. Who dirty, done dirty? Who not dirty? Once they break. Before you even take breakfast or eat, now the first thing you brush your teeth, go into your shower, bath. Although, but because who see Rita no say na dirty family for Shifra. Good evening, Sylvia Gold. I greet you. So may we listen again, lovely people.
My sister, I say even that yesterday, my policemen were, the mother did not even took her bite. They say she should wear clothes. That is how they brought that woman.
They say she should wear clothes. What did they happen to my network now? When I hear her, they say she should wear clothes. I will play it continuously again without interruption. But I just want to analyze it. They say she should wear clothes. But she tied dirty towel because that is her best. It's not like she was not having the opportunity to wear something better. But that was her best. Because she not get. Dora now bewe. But she be get picky for abroad. But that one they busy the package kokobiri. To tell show off. For social media as if people cares. And the year or so. She was given an opportunity to wear clothes. She tied dirty towel. Now so they take me time. She not get nothing better to put on. And this was the reason why people even donated money to Crocro. But Crocro do it in carry and take do her own. Take go marry, do marriage we not get we not get it. Marriage will be say musician not day. Marriage will be say cow they not buy. Marriage will be say MC not day. Marriage will be say canopy not day. Invitees now kukuma even day. Marriage will be say family not day. Marriage will be say she not even fit buy tickets for her children to witness her supposed happiest day. Marriage without egbe. And they see her. But because of she's of her wretchedness and her wicked hearts, because she know they consider her parents. If she they consider them, those her parents not go look tattered like that. They're not gonna look unkept like that. She don't care. I don't know why she hated them. I don't know what she had against her parents. I don't know. They ask her. I hope when I hear that part.
They say she should wear clothes. That is how they brought that woman.
They say she should wear clothes. But what did Dora have? Only 2 wrapper. 1 dirty towel and 1 fine wrapper. Now so she gets rich. She tied dirty towel. Now so they take her and go. They said police gave her the opportunity to wear clothes. But Dorokia, the adulteress of Bo, not get clothes. Other than dirty towel. You see her? I believe that's the reason why people donated money for Riteron. But Riteron, your mama not see money for her. Wicked daughter of Dorokia.
That woman couldn't even eat when she came to the office. Since in the morning till night, I left office around 8. That woman was sitting there, they were begging. The father was walking with stick.
They were waiting, begging. Morning till night. No pay money. Ritero could not bear her parents. They were begging. They were begging. Food not even there to eat. They are starving. They are hungered. They were begging. Una dey hear am so. No be me dey talk am o. Una dey hear wetin I dey play for una. Good evening, lovely son. You are welcome. Una dey hear am so. And Akateria parents go dey beg for bail, money no dey. Is that not a shame? But Frank Victor never beg when Krokro Ritero arrested his family. Frank Victor stood up for his family, but that is what one thing Ritero could not do for her parents. They send this her parents, then she sent make go arrest Frank Victor family. Now her papa and her mama also run that yeye waka for her. Now then she send the papa and the mama, they admit her for station. I have all the audios with me. Now me just they overlook some kind things where I no one play. I have so many audios I've not even touched. How Ritero mama sister say they cry for station. They lay curse on Ritero to say now let trouble she they bring come give her parents. The parents not even know how to celebrate because that time it was January 2022. That the parents don't even see rice chop for Christmas. They are living in abject poverty. The mother sister was laying curses on her. The father made mention of how she abandoned a child in Nigeria. All those things is in audio. I've been saying it. People think I'm joking. All those audio, I've not even touched them. Which I'm going to be playing any moment from now. Ritero was surprised to see because how come Mummylove just all this audio for so long? He was surprised when he go hear his mama sister voice, he go hear his mama voice. His papa voice, his papa to the show, they beg, they lead down. They cry. Say this pikin. Everything my papa toy for your body, mama sister, everybody, even his brother's voice. He ex-convict brother's voice. They were all at the station. Even his papa brother voice also. Where the retired police, I don't know how true is that. But the man was claiming to be a retired police. The voice also did there. Just imagine.
That woman couldn't even eat when she came to the office. Since in the morning till night, I left office around 8. That woman was sitting there, they were begging. The father was walking with stick.
Ayera, the father was walking with stick. The Benny they go. He's not even looking, he's not even healthy. But this girl could not take it upon herself to take care of her parents. But she's busy fighting those that are far, far better than her. Hey, mommy, Isha, Kamara, good evening, ma. Say you too fine, my lovely lady. Thank you, mommy. God bless you, ma. Eh? Should they busy they fight people will be saying they have paid their dues? They don't pay their dues. They do okay. I wanna be. My mate this social media, make I come social media, but your males, your mess they smell. Her background, everything about her they smell. Nothing is me, I don't find the feet. Her life not that presentable for anybody to even emulate. Our own lifestyle, not to talk of our own family background is nothing to write to me about. But she's busy fighting everybody. She's busy fighting everybody. For no reason, no. She was doing Oduga. She want to do Oduga on social media so that other presenter will be afraid of her. That's why she took it upon herself to go and be arresting people's family. But when it happened to her, look at common 100,000 naira, she could not afford to bear her parents. Common 100,000 naira. Chicken change. Chicken change. Money that is 60 euro or less than, according to exchange rates, present exchange rates. Can you imagine? Yeah. Thank you, man. More than listen. So those of you now wey see Dorekia with towel. Now towel they go station. He was smelling. He did not even. He said he not even bath. Police gave her opportunity to go and dress, but who not get cloth? Now he go wear clothes. Not go wait till he get to go use. Now they could see crop mama with dirty towel. He not get. He not get. He not dey. No, we listen again.
That woman was sitting there, they were begging. The father was walking with stick. That woman, I beg, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want, they say too wrong cannot make a right. That woman, I take God beg you, don't worry. We know the house. We know her parents' house. We will go there. Me, I will go personally with my policemen to that house. They should warn her. If she doesn't have anything doing, let her rest. Let her close that her dirty mouth. She's an illiterate. Somebody that is a learned, somebody cannot be talking as to man the difference. So please,
why that place can't they break now? My network, what is happening? I open a Yera. And they come make I connect my network where. Okay, don't connect now. Let's see be go off. Nayara, police even recognized that the parents were looking very, very. This is not time. This is seeing and seeing. They say seeing is believing. They were looking very, very tattered. And this one, their social media, they fight everybody. So they use math. They talk down everybody. Whereas waiting full and life, then she think they fight everybody. Nyama were full and life. Now close they fight everybody. Akate get away they are brought for over 20-something years. When not at 400,000 naira take bail her parents. But she want package kokobiri me shook her for our eye for social media. Call letter, take her. You must see her. See my kokobiri, uncircumcised bola. Bola with the not circumcised. Eba ye mwe kiana manwe. This time at age, bayao. Nonsense. So make I play them again. No say network will come on, you can't wave. So let me play now. No talking. Okay? Let's listen straight on. In fact, let me play the first one first, then I'll play the second one straight on without no talking. The rest, I'm coming.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This one, she's a liar. No Wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not come, the police have known the house of her parents. We are going there personally with this video to go and show the parents who did she give that 100,000 to. Yesterday, I even left them in the office because they were begging. They don't have anything. They are fools. No problem now. Me, don't worry. Thank you very much for this video. I am going there. If they didn't even come tomorrow, I am going to the house by myself. No.
Okay.
Okay, right. You cannot be. My sister, I say even that yesterday, my policemen went there. They met the mother, did not even took her bite. They said she should wear clothes. That is how they brought that woman. That woman couldn't even eat when she came to the office. Since in the morning till night, I left office around 8. That woman was sitting there, they were begging. The father was walking with stick. That woman, I beg, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want, they say too wrong cannot make a right. That woman, I take God beg you, don't worry. We know the house. We know her parents' house. We will go there. Me, I will go personally with my policemen to that house. They should warn her. If she doesn't have anything doing, let her rest. Let her close that her dirty mouth. She's an illiterate. Somebody that is a learned somebody cannot be talking as if he's a mad woman. She and a mad woman, there is no difference. So please, too wrong cannot make it right. You cannot be.
Okay. Una don't hear her. All right. I beg, the bottom line here is, I want to show you something. Meanwhile, I want to put something for the screen. The bottom line is, Krokro Ritero, make she go pay their 100,000 naira. Make they not go put interest join her. If they arrest them again now, not go be 100,000 naira again. Share una know. It not go be 100,000 naira again. If they arrest them, pick them up again now, that money not go be 100,000 naira again because it has been since 2 years or yeah, almost 2 years now, if I'm not mistaken. It's January 2022. I be over 2 years. Retail on their social media, they back like Chihuahua. But debts where they take bail and mama credit, they bail and mama on credit, she not fit pay am. She not fit pay am. When they deport that guy with his family that day, he sent the 100,000 according to her. We didn't see evidence. But her debt there her mama and her papa neck. She never paid the police people. She dey do I wanna belong. But she cannot take care of her home, her age parents. Those people, they never be too old like that. But a lack of maintenance, lack of good life, now make them, especially papa, now make that man condition be like that. I wish they get proper care, better maintenance, better life. Therefore not look like that. That's just the truth. Therefore not look like that. But because the maintenance is not there, that is why they are looking so like that. Because people that the woman is the Serekia mama is not to 60. The father is 62. 62, is that not still a young man? Eh? You never reach where they say they use cassava stick till they work now. Never reach. He never reach. Make person talk truth as it be. He never reach, my lovely, amazing people. Eh? See, now so they take carry Dorekia Krokro mama go station. You not here for the policeman just now. They tell her say, Madam, go and dress. This was her best. It's not like they didn't give her that opportunity. You guys heard it. Madam, go and dress. But this dirty towel is what she can afford to put on. Because it's not there. But she be get children abroad. She get picky for abroad, which is Krokro. That one not just get their time. Now to package Kokobiri. She want transform Kokobiri to be a Nigerian man for we eyes to see. But the more she package, the more we are still seeing Kokobiri. The more we are still seeing Kokobiri. This is how Dorekia, the adulteress, went. The best look she can afford. That's what she takes follow the go station. Now they see her so. So, for her good, because they should pick them. Now double wahala for the body. Double wahala for the body. Now it will be, the money is going to double. In fact, they might even triple it. They might triple it. Because they have waited for 2 years. Come on, 100,000 naira. I look the amount just now. How much is it in euro? 60 euro. 60 euro will give you 102,900 naira. For 60 euro, 9 person not fit clear off for a parent's life. Make them free. Now police are saying they want to go and arrest them again. Over the debt. Over debt. And Krokro is busy making mouth on media. Whereas she's a nobody. She is a nobody. Mama say yes, it will be 200k or even more than 200k. Eh? If they are pick them up now, they arrest them. Now they might not even agree for 100,000 since 2 years. They might even say they want 500,000. Yes, they might put interest. Bless your room, my beautiful lady. I greet you, ma. Good evening. Happy Sunday. Eh? She's trying to show up on social media. I want to belong. He said, is she their only child? No. But the rest children, they are 6. 3 girls, 3 boys. The 3 boys is not long. That period they said say no to what is it called again? That period they were saying they do protests. They did protests. I can't remember. They did protests of NSAS. Yes, NSAS. When they break prison yard, they break prison kirikiri. You understand, in Benin? 2 of them was in the kirikiri for so long because the brothers, 2 of the brothers, they buy somebody. They buy 2 people. They buy 2 people. You know, the other one, one of the person, the brothers, they buy, they push the person, a car owner, into a river and take and snatch his car. They didn't know that person will survive. They thought they have buy the person. So that person now implicates them. The other one was by Rita brothers. So that put them into kirikiri for so long. It was the NSAS period time when they did riots over NSAS, that when they break the prison yard, they now escape. They are ex-convicts. 3 of the boys, their last born, which is Starly, that one is called Starly. That one did not go to school. That one is just roaming around the streets, doing pocket picker around the areas. You understand? The other 2 boys, they are wayward, they are useless, they are just arrogant, they are just street boys. They are nuisance in the area, in the old Benin. Nothing to write home about them. Then for the girls, because there are 3 girls, 3 boys. Okay? There used to be 7, but 1 by their mother Dora used adultery to buy the senior one. So now it is now Krokro Ritero that is not senior. Okay? Because the senior one is no longer alive. Then you also know the life of Krokro. Born here, born there, wayward life, do a shower, you know, those kind of wayward lifestyle. Do a shower, pay madam, you know, kidnap spam, do this, do that, nyama lifestyle. Okay? At the end of it, after giving birth in Italy government, when they deported her, they seized the child. She went to Nigeria. She had another baby in Nigeria that the father made mention of. I'll come and play that audio. You people will know that when Mummylove says something, she's saying the truth. Always. The father made mention of it that she don't know where her child is. She does not care for that child. She have a child, but she's hiding it. She cannot admit to it because she's with a Kokobiri man. Because the Kokobiri man does not know her in full. Don't know most of the things about her. And other children she had Moroccan child. She have another Iboma child. She gave birth to another girl for the Kokobiri. Okay? For the Kokobiri man. That is the only children she's admitted to. Because the Kokobiri don't know other children she had elsewhere. Okay? So, now that is her life. Then the second one, which is called what's that one name again? Charity. Charity is the girl that got pregnant. She don't even know who impregnated her. She had a child out of wedlock. Okay, on a tender age, she left that child behind and traveled through Libya with the donation of families that donated for her to pass through Libya. When she now reached Italy, then this retailer now sent documents and money for her to come to meet her in Germany. That one had a child out of wedlock. That one is her life is just no documents. After 6 or 7 or 8 years abroad, no documents. That one is just roaming from one black boy to one junkie, from one junkie to one old man. You know, that one does not also have a good life. Then the 3rd girl, because there are 3 boys, 3 girls. The 3rd girl, that one is in Benin. That one is in her father's house. That one is mentally not okay. That one will just sit outside and be picking things and putting in her mouth, packing sand and putting in her private parts, running mad. You see? So that is their condition. Yes, he said with all this, she's still talking to people. Exactly, that is my annoyance for her. Talking to people that are far, far better off than her generation. Not just her generation put together. Hey? Can you imagine? Come on, 100,000 naira now. You know they to take bail, to take pay police their debt. This is a person that arrested from Victor's family back home. Father, brother, sisters, the son, that one left back home. She arrested that one family. And she made that one, from Victor bailed her family without no credit. And after all said and done, she still requested that the money she spent in arresting from Victor's family, that from Victor will pay him back. And from Victor did by paying back. To tell you how wicked and devilish she can be. From Victor paid all every penny she spent in arresting. Now you arrest my family. Now she arrests that one family. The money when she spent to arrest From Victor family, she said From Victor must pay her back, which From Victor paid for peace to reign. But look at her own case now. She can't even bail her mother. They have to bail them on credit after much begging. You heard it. The policewoman said it, that they were begging, the parents were begging, crying. By so doing, the father brought out, showing the app in his account on his phone to say, see, there is no money. If they had the money, they would have paid themselves. There's no money. The man showed his account. I was on video. I witnessed everything, and everything was recorded. Then the money that was in the man's account was 0 naira. No kobo was in there. That is what motivated the police people to beg them on credit, because there's no money anywhere. But this girl was busy making mouth, lying to say, oh, I gave police money. That is the video I caught and go and send to them. That the woman said they are going to pick them up. Over the time, she refused to pay them back their money. They are going to pick them up as soon as possible. Now they hear so. That is what happened. That is what happened, my lovely amazing people. Oh my God, I'm already 1 hour. I need to go because I need to come back. So please, that is what happened, my lovely people. So I shall be back. I said I will not exceed 1 hour. Okay? I already spent 1 hour. Love it, so you are welcome. Are you just joining? I bet me kuna text because don't be tomorrow now she'll come cry. This one now, she with police now. They paid the parents on credit and she refuses to pay them back their money. And Nigerian police will not let go. You must